Ya, informasi tadi sekaligus mengakhiri Net Bali hari ini. Anda dapat saksikan kembali tayangan hari ini di YouTube channel kami www.youtube.com/netbali. Dan setelah ini kami akan memutarkan video klip dari seorang solois kece, Krishna, dengan singlenya yang berjudul Into My World. Nah, bagi kalian yang punya video klip, musik atau cover dan ingin tayang di Net Bali, kalian bisa cek syarat dan ketentuannya di Instagram kami @netbaliofficial. Saya Vera Zenvia Matur Suksma dan selamat beraktivitas. Om Santi 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 Om.
Can't see what's in my world. If I can't find another way, I see a day without the sun. As my heart, if you can't see what's in my mind, if you can't give another way, sometimes it seems so far away, sometimes I wanna fade away. Maybe it's time to take a break before my heart goes away. Sometimes it seems so far away, sometimes I wanna fade away. Maybe it's time to take a break before my heart goes away.
Udah selesai kan nontonnya? Nah, jadi jangan lupa buat like, komen, dan subscribe ya.